Hi, Geometry A students. I'm your teacher, Miss Moore. Welcome to Geometry. I just wanted to do a little introduction video to help you get familiar with the class and what it's going to look like this semester. So I'm going to share my screen. So again, welcome. I'm your teacher, Miss Moore. I'm looking forward to getting to know you guys. Some of you I might have had last year for Algebra 1. Welcome back. You guys know this already, but just a little bit about me. I graduated from UC Irvine. I have my single subject math credential and a master's in teaching from UC Irvine. This is my 11th year teaching math. Gosh, time flies. I've taught in the Santa Ana Unified School District for a long time, like 7 of those years, and then the Val Verde Unified School District for a couple of years. And then now I've been at Elite for a couple of years, and I'm super excited to have landed here, super excited to be your teacher. If you need to contact me, you can contact me in Canvas. There's a messages button and it'll email me directly. If you're in Canvas, that's an easy way to get a hold of me. You can call me if you would like. There's the school phone number and I'm extension 716. Or you can email me directly. It's amoore@eliteacademic.com. Materials for the course. You're going to need your Geometry A workbook and your Geometry A notes workbook, which should have been ordered for you and shipped to you. So I'm hoping as you're watching this, you have these materials. If you don't, please let me know right away and your teacher of record right away so that we can track it and see when it's set to arrive. If it hasn't been ordered, we can get it ordered for you. So it's going to look like this. This was Geometry B last semester, but a little notes packet. It just has pages where you're going to copy down the notes in the videos. And then we have the workbook that has all the problems that you're going to be completing and the journals. So the layout of the course, a lot of you probably had me last year for Algebra 1, so it's very similar to Algebra 1. So I'm going to introduce the material. We're going to do, I have instructional videos that you're going to watch. As you watch that video, you're going to take down the notes that I am taking in the video. Then you're going to use those notes to complete the practice problems in the workbook. And then once you complete all of that, you're going to journal about what you've learned. So a lot of us try to skip that. That's an important part. It's to really show me, it's a form of assessment for me to see where you're at. You can show me like, hey, I get this. Here's all the steps. Here's exactly how you do it. Or I'm totally stuck. I don't know. I don't even know how to solve this equation. So that's going to be kind of the first 2 weeks. The third week is where you're going to apply those skills that you've learned. So there's going to be some application and some problem solving where you're going to take those skills that you just learned, and then you're going to apply those skills to more challenging word problems, problem solving tasks. And then at the end of that week, you're going to have a study guide. It's like a practice test, and then you're going to take the unit test. There will also be checkpoints at the end of each week. So at the end of week 1, there will be a short checkpoint in Canvas. So 2 checkpoints each unit, and then the unit test. So live instruction, we are going to be having our live instruction on Wednesdays from 1 to 1:30. So shorter than last year. If you were with me, they were an hour before, but now all the subjects are having live instruction. So that's a lot for you to attend. So we've limited them to 30 minutes. It'll be short and sweet, and we will get through it as much as we possibly can. I will try to make it fun. We'll play Kahoots and games. And maybe you won't have to do assignments if you come and participate in those activities that cover the same material. So please make sure to attend those live instruction meetings on Wednesdays from 1 to 1:30. Targeted tutoring. So this is not always mandatory. You just need to come when you receive the invite. So if you're totally up to date, you have all your work done, you're turning in your work, you're doing well on the tests, you won't be getting any invites for this. If you're struggling and you're behind in your work, or you didn't do so well on a test, then you're going to be getting a invite for my targeted tutoring. It'll be on Tuesdays from 2 to 2:45. The main purpose of me doing this is to help you raise your grade. So it's purely to help you. If you get it, make sure to come, because what we're going to do during that time is assignments or retaking a test or retaking a checkpoint that will raise your grade. So it's not so much a bad thing, it's a good thing. So you come and you raise your grade and you learn what you didn't understand before. So I'll try to figure out where you're struggling and try to help clarify so that it makes more sense. And then you do well from there out. Okay, and then I have one-on-one tutoring on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So these you'll have to book as needed. So maybe the first unit you totally get, you don't need me at all, but the second unit is functions and you're totally confused. So you just click this link and you can book a one-on-one appointment with me. So you pick the day and the time, either Tuesday and Thursday, and then it's 15-minute increments. If you need like a lot of help, you can book 2 of them together so that we get a full 30 minutes, and it'll just be you and I. So some of us are just more comfortable asking questions than in a group setting, like the targeted tutoring and the live sessions. So I hope to see a lot of you for one-on-one tutoring as you need it. So that's kind of a quick summary of the class. You guys are pretty familiar. Probably a lot of you have been in Canvas last year, but just in case you're new to Elite, I just wanted to show you Canvas. So we'll go to courses. So when you're in Canvas, you can click courses. We are Geometry A. So I would click on Geometry A, and I'm going to click Student View so that I see what you would see once you log in. And so we are starting with week 1. So day 1, you're going to be starting complementary angles. So you click on it. Here's the video that you need to watch. While you're watching this video, you're going to copy down the notes in your notes packet. And then you're going to be completing complementary angles number 1 through 10 on page 1 in your geometry workbook. So on the first day, there's nothing you need to turn in. You're going to turn it in tomorrow. So once you do that on Wednesday, you're done. Then Thursday, you're going to complete that assignment. So you're going to do page 2. You're going to do numbers 11 through 20. And then you're going to do the journal. The journal you won't submit until the end of the unit when your whole journal is complete. So today, here's what you're going to be uploading is the complementary angles notes and the complementary angles assignment. So if you go down here, you click, and then you can upload whatever file that you took a picture from. So you'll take pictures of those assignments and then you'll click those files and you will upload them here. An even better way, if you can download the app on your phone, if you have a phone, it's a little bit quicker because on the computer, you have to take a picture on your phone and then maybe email it to yourself so then you can access it on your computer. The Canvas app will skip that step. So if you can do that directly, that will save you some time. And then I will show you just one more thing. So we'll click home. And then you'll see, so these ones are where you'll be uploading. If you see the little rocket ship, that means it's already in Canvas. It's embedded like a quiz, a checkpoint. So we have the first checkpoint. You'll answer these questions. And then you'll submit the quiz down here at the bottom right. You don't have to upload anything. Okay, so that is the summary of Geometry A. I'm looking forward to a great school year with you all. Please make sure you guys have those packets, your workbooks. If you don't, again, let us know right away so we can get those to you. In the meantime, still, until you get it, you can still each day just write down the notes on a plain notebook paper and then do the assignments on a plain notebook paper. Just, we don't want you falling behind. So still work on the assignments. It's okay if you don't have the workbooks right away, as long as you're still completing those assignments, because we don't want you falling behind at the very beginning of the school year. And again, let us know so we can get those ordered for you and get them to you as quickly as possible. I look forward to meeting you all at our first live session, and thank you.